Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Dems here. Vlogmas day number 13. Thank you guys so much for coming back on another video. You know, this journey is a very interesting journey. Video every day up until Christmas Day. It's not the easiest thing to do, by the way. I grossly underestimated the powers of Vlogmas, but you know what? We're well faith, we're well firm, and we're pushed through same way. You understand? So today was a pretty much rough day at work today, so I didn't get to vlog much. I didn't get to vlog much for you guys today, but nonetheless, a video have to go on. The show must go on. Definitely, the show must go on. So I decided to use this video to share with you guys some tips about driving in a Canadian winter. Now, many of you guys are coming from tropical countries, and yeah, many of you guys feel like you're a big experienced driver, but we don't really know the ins and outs of driving in a not only a new country, but in a totally new different road conditions. So this video, I'll just use this video to just give you guys some very short tips that can be useful for when you make the transition, if it is that you are thinking of making the transition not only to Canada but to another country. Now, before I even get into the tips, I just want to say, yo, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash a like and definitely leave a comment, you know. All of the returning subscribers, big up on yourself for the known ratings large already. And known ratings very large, ratings very tall. Now, let's get into it, right? So the first thing you want to do when you're driving in a Canadian snowstorm or winter or just different snow conditions, right? Snowy roads, you want to make sure that you have the right tires. Tire is very important, guys, because that is what holds the vehicle to the road, right? So you want to make sure that you have the right tires. Now you have snow tires and you have all season tires and you have summer tires. Now, snow tire, same thing as winter tires, is primarily made for drive on snow, winter roads, right? Winter conditions that you make for, as the name suggests. Snow tire, not snow tires, summer tires is really made to function in summers and non-snow conditions, and all seasons now is the one that you can use in any condition. But here the thing with all season now though, guys, all season tires is not as durable and strong as winter tire or summer tire. So in other words, the all season tire might give you 1.5 winter and you have to change it. You understand? So you can't rock a all season for 2 years or 3 years because it's not going to really serve no purpose in a third winter. So usually what most people do is them have a set of summer tires and a set of winter tires. When a winter time, them change out them 4 tires to winter tires, and when a summer time, them, you know, convert it back to summer tires. But a lot of persons also rock all seasons because it's way more convenient. But the thing is, you have to be prepared for no say, oh, the all season are going to really give you the grip as a winter tire would give. That's the first thing. The second thing is, guys, you want to make sure that you have a few things in your car, because driving in winter conditions is very possible for you to be stranded. So you want to make sure that you have a few essential things in a car, one of which is you want to make sure you have a winter jacket. You want to make sure you have something to pick up on your head, which is a toque, a thumb, hat, whatever you call it. You want to make sure you have gloves, and you want to make sure you have like thermal socks. You want to make sure you have like winter shoes, right? In your car at all times, because at the end of the day, you can strand it at any time, right? You want to make sure you have them stuff there. And my first winter here in Canada, I had an experience where I went to a grocery store to just grab a few items, and I never really dressed for the weather. I never have nothing in my car, and when we come out of this grocery store, I have a flat tire. I have a flat tire, and I did struggling in a freezing cold trying to change a flat tire, and long and short. And some people have to come give me a help and think I must say, oh, Jano, look how me could have just, you know, freeze out there just like that. But avoid being in a situations like that. You want to make sure you have adequate clothing and equipment in your car. Now, if it is that you are in a province like Alberta or Manitoba or another province that get tons and tons and tons of snow, right? You want to make sure say you have weights in a car, right? Most people in these provinces drive SUV and trucks because it's bigger vehicle and it maneuver the snow much better. But for lower vehicles and car and stuff like that, like hatchback vehicle and regular like standard non-SUV car, it's very possible that it can be stuck regularly in a snow. So because of that, you want to make sure you have weights in the car for put weights down on the snow so it's easier if you can maneuver the snow. So many people have sandbag. Many people have sandbag in a them trunk, right? So that kind of put weights on the car so you can grip the road a certain way and you can definitely maneuver the road a little bit. Now, what to do if you are stuck? Now, as you guys may have known, my very first car here when I made the transition was a Volkswagen Beetle 2016. Nice car in at the end, you know, but my tell me I'm not supposed to carry there as I said that rotten. But it's a very small car. So of course I know so them are not stuck all heap of time and that, so they have to learn how to maneuver the snow. Now, what are the tips if it is that you are stuck? If you are stuck on snow or ice, and you guys might sound like it might sound shocking to you guys, like stuck on ice, stuck on snow, guys. I'm telling you, like stuck and can't move. No, it depends. If it is that you are stuck on snow, what you need to do is to put a car in a rocking motion. Write this down, because it's very important, because you're going to get stuck. I know if, or when. You understand? Put the car in a rocking motion between drive and reverse. So you put it in drive, go forward, put it in reverse, go back, kind of get a little rocking motion, right? Kind of get a little rocking motion, and then that usually clear that up. But what I would also like to say that you should have in your car as well, guys, is a shovel. I forgot to tell you guys this. You need a shovel, because sometimes the snow is so high that you have to come out of your car and go out there and shovel the snow in front of the wheel. So you need a shovel in your car as well. But in the event that it's not that high, you can just get the rocking motion back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then that definitely can usually release the car and you can go forward. You understand? Yeah. Now, if you're stuck on ice, that's a totally different scenario than if you're stuck on snow. If you're stuck on ice, what you need to do is put the car in drive, take your foot off of the gas, take your foot off of the brakes, hold the steering, and then make the car move. Right? So, in other words, just ease up off of the gas fully, and then make the car kind of run. Because if it is that you press gas, the car are going to spin, and you have a likelihood of probably go over in a ditch. Freezing rain is another condition that is here in Alberta, guys. And freezing rain is when the conditions is freeze, is cold, and you get rain, not snow. So the rain falls on the ground and it creates like a skating ring. So when you're driving in freezing rain conditions, you can't go faster than like a 5 kilometer per hour. I'm not even exaggerate. Hopefully you guys don't experience some of them conditions here. But the freezing rain is actually more dangerous than driving in snow. So you want to make sure so you can have like certain things to do. Now, another thing is, guys, when you're driving in winter conditions, it's the possibility exists that the road is very slippery. Now, the road being slippery, there is the possibility that you might skid, lose control of the car, and all sorts of things. Now, there are certain tips to prevent an accident and stuff like that. And one of those things is when you are approaching an intersection, guys, you want to ease up off the brakes before you get to where you really want to stop, and then gradually slow down. Because if you just jam your brakes, you're going to slide down a gully. Next thing, moving off. When you're moving off, you can't just press gas and move off. The same thing, you will slide, go over gully. You have to ease up off of the gas, off of the brakes, make the car move off. And then as the car starts to move off, you gradually, slowly accelerate until you have control of the car. Now, if it is that you're in a position that your car is being skidded with you, like in other long and short, you're skid. If you're skid, what you have to do? Let go the brakes, let go the gas, and steer in the direction where you want the car to go. It's a very scary experience, guys, and I've experienced it a few times in my first winter. And I don't want to experience it because I'm telling you guys, like, driving in these conditions is very, very dangerous. Alright? Smash a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Vlogmas day number 13. This is all I get today, so I better work with it and smash a like on the video. See me and drop a comment. Alright? See you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas day number 14. I did some video on my way to work driving, so I'm just gonna post it right here so as well, guys. So hopefully you guys can see like an example of what it is like driving in these terrible conditions. All right, guys, have a good night, have a good day, have a great afternoon wherever you're watching this video. Take care of yourself, big up yourself, blessings to you and your family, and I hope you guys are, you know, enjoying the whole Christmas festivity. If you are not into Christmas as many persons are, just, you know, just hope you guys have a fantastic day today. All right, blessings, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day number 13. On my way to work, guys, and this is what I woke up to. It's looking really dreaded this morning. It's been snowing all night and most of yesterday as well. The roads are covered in snow, very icy, and yeah, it's just crazy, yeah, man. Hope I do a good picture job with you guys, seeing exactly what it is like and having an idea. But yeah, guys, this is crazy. Driving in these conditions is definitely something that, well, personally, I don't like. I don't like it, guys, because you can end up in a ditch so easily and stuff. It's like the whole driving routine becomes different and stuff. So all who move into to a country like Canada, from a tropical country that doesn't have snow, yo, I tell you, unlearn and relearn the driving totally different, guys. Totally different. So I can say, yo, times like these, I wish we could have stayed home, you know, just watch the whole Netflix show and just go and chill. But work have to put in, you know. Work have to put in. Another morning. The time is now 8 o'clock. Again, I'm late for work. 8 o'clock, I'm for reach. I'm around 5 minutes late still. And of course, outside is still night. This is how it is in winter months. Yeah, you see me? Rough. Would I trade this? Honestly, as much as I hear me complain, I don't think I would change it. Because what I love is the fact that there's 4 seasons, right? Legit 4 seasons, and each season comes with its own vibe. Winter is just a vibe in of itself. But yeah, I love it. You understand? Looking forward to summer though, because summer is the favorite time of the year right here. Everything is just so beautiful, and you don't know what things said. I remember when I just came to Canada, guys, and I was delivering pizza. And I had to be delivering pizza in this weather. Guys, it's, I tell you, rough. Things that we have to do to survive in these countries, especially as a newbie. But you just have to be know, you have to just know, say, oh, so things that, you know, and don't complain, because at the end of the day, it's a different society, and it's not a society where you can complain and stuff like that. You have to just find a way, you understand? We're in a society where you have to just push out. No excuses. Because nobody now tell no excuse. Oh, that's no, me can't come to work. No, you can't do that. Because I tell you, yo, right now, everybody that work already. I'll probably find 7 o'clock. You understand? The discipline is like on a different level. Totally different level. Yo, it's rough, guys. It's rough. What's the weather like in your city? Wherever you are in the world watching this video right now, what's the weather like? Are you guys having sunshine? Are you guys having snow, rain? What is it like?